In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Miro board to Google Drive. Whether you're looking to back up your work, share it with colleagues more easily, or simply keep your projects organized, exporting your Miro board to Google Drive can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to have your Miro board open and ready to go. Once you're on your Miro dashboard, locate the board you intend to export. There's a handy feature within Miro that makes this transfer straightforward. Look at the top right corner of your board for an option titled Export this board. You'll find this option typically represented by an icon resembling an arrow or share symbol. When you click on this, a drop-down menu should appear. This menu will present several options for exporting your board. From the drop-down menu, look for and select Save to Google Drive. This choice is specifically designed for exporting directly to Google's cloud storage service, ensuring your board is safely saved and accessible on Google Drive. After clicking on Save to Google Drive, you may be prompted to sign in to your Google account. This is because Miro needs permission to access your Google Drive in order to save the file there. At this stage, if you're not already logged into your Google account, a new window or tab will pop up. This page will guide you through logging into your Google account. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in. Be sure to use an account that you want the Miro board to be linked with or stored in. After successfully signing in, you might need to grant Miro permission by confirming any security prompts that Google presents. These permissions are necessary to allow your file to be uploaded from Miro to Drive. Once the export process begins, you'll typically see a notification in Miro confirming that the board is being saved to Google Drive. The time this takes can vary depending on the size of the board and your internet speed, but generally, it should complete within a few moments. After the board has been successfully exported, you can navigate over to your Google Drive to ensure it's there. Open Google Drive and, in your Drive's main window, scroll through to find the file. Depending on your export settings and preferences, the Miro board might appear as a PDF or another file format. With your board now in Drive, it will be easier to share it with team members, collaborate in real time, or even keep it as part of a larger portfolio of work. Keep in mind that you can manage the privacy settings on Google Drive to control who has access to your newly exported board. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully exported your Miro board to Google Drive, a simple yet efficient way to back up and share your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.